Hi guys, welcome back to Historic Helicopters Official. This week we've decided that you've been watching our videos for a couple of weeks now, but you probably don't actually know who we are or what we do. So we're going to have a little walk around our hangars here at Historic Helicopters and show you what aircraft we have. Let's go have a look. So this is outside our pan at Historic Helicopters. We have Project Lynx 179. It's ready to go this afternoon as soon as the weather lifts. That'll be absolutely lovely. But if we pan around here, this is our main hangar. So this is our Westland Whirlwind. This was the first aircraft we got in 2013. It's in for a minor restoration. As you can see, there's some paint stripped off it. The head's ready to come off it. But yes, this will be ready to fly in the next couple of weeks. But around the hangar, we've got some Westland Scouts. These are custom aircraft. This one's ready to go out the door, and the other one's waiting on a gearbox replacement, and then it'll be ready to go in the next few weeks, all depending. This is a Lynx Mark 8. Yeah, again, it's another customer aircraft. It's coming for its first restoration after its military life. You can see an update on this in our YouTube video, The Lynx Effect, where we talk about the Mark 8 and the Mark 7 Lynx. So beside the Mark 8 Lynx, we've got our very own Lynx Mark 7 616. This is a Historic Helicopters aircraft. It's in for its annual maintenance in the minute, and it's going to be ready to fly next week. Beside this, we've got an S76. This is just in here for storage until it gets shipped away. That's going next week, so we're going to have loads of room in the hangar. Luckily for us, we have more customer aircraft coming in. So that was our main hangar at Historic Helicopters. That's the real heart of the operation. But across the road, we have this massive hangar. It is King's Landing hangar. It has space for 6 Sea Kings. At the minute, we've got 5 Sea Kings in here, a Wessex and another couple of other aircraft. Let's go have a look around them. So here we have 597. 597 is a Mark III Sea King. This is our fleet leader. This is the cab that we fly generally most often, but she's in for annual maintenance at the minute and will be ready to go out the door next week. And beside 597, we have 314. Sorry about the cherry picker in the way, but yeah, this is 314. This is our Mark IV Sea King. She's due a D1 maintenance package, and that'll be started in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, we really want to get her flying for the summer. But across the way, we have 2 Mark 48 Sea Kings. These come from Belgium. The Belgium, our followers absolutely love them, and so they should. So we've got 04 here. 04 is in long-term storage. There is no plans to fly her anytime soon, unfortunately. It's just, it's a massive cost to the operation to keep all these Sea Kings going. But we do have RS02, and RS02 is a flyer, and she is going to be flying in the next few weeks. She's booked into some air shows later on in the summer, so we will get her airworthy again and get her going to them. But in the back of these aircraft, absolutely amazing, all kitted out for her role in search and rescue. But beside RS02, we have an absolute beauty of a helicopter. This is our Westland Widgeon. So this is going to be one of our long-term projects. We hope to be starting her very soon. We have our own engine bay here where we can do Leonidas engines. It's a 9-cylinder piston engine. Absolutely amazing bit of kit. We can't wait to get the new engine put in, fired up. But there's plenty of work to be getting on with in this aircraft. And once this aircraft is airworthy, it will be the only one flying in the world. I will do a full video on the Widgeon and its history at some point. But yeah, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Also in the hangar, we have this Westland Scout. This is a customer aircraft. It's waiting on a gearbox change. We will be starting that in the next couple of weeks, and then she'll be ready to go back to our customer. And then we have the famous Wessex. This is the only flying Wessex in the world. This was the real first restoration that Historic Helicopters got its teeth sunk into. But yeah, it's an absolutely amazing aircraft. It's had its annual service. It just needs some paneling up to do, a couple of functionals, and then I'm sure we will get her back in the air by the summer. So as I said, across the road, we have our very own engine bay with the Leonidas engine in it. This is an absolutely amazing space, and an absolutely amazing team working on these engines at the minute. This is the first one we've done. It's been a really slow process. It's been really meticulous, but hopefully in the next weeks, months, we will have a complete engine ready to ground run. And yeah, that'll be the start of our widgeon process. It'll be absolutely amazing. That is it from me and the team here at Historic Helicopters this week. Sorry it's not been the most exciting upload we've done yet, but next week hopefully we will have part 2 of our road to summer, and we'll actually get to meet some of the other team. Catch you next week.